In this video, we show how to replace a PCI cover on a PowerEdge XR4520c sled. Before removing the PCI cover, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4520c service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the PCI cover, loosen the captive screw that secures it to the sled. Rotate the PCI cover outward and remove it from the chassis. To install the PCI cover, insert the end into the slot on the sled and rotate it into place. Then, tighten the captive screw that secures the cover to the chassis. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.